let's make 100 Instagram reels. So you're going to need 3 tools. The first one is ChatGPT. You're going to need a blank Google Sheets, and you're going to need Canva. So let's start with ChatGPT. In this place here, we're going to tick. So in here, we're going to click and type in, give me 100 gym motivational quotes, and enter. Now from here, once it's produced it, we're going to copy it and paste it into Google Sheets. Okay, now it's finally produced 100 gym quotes. Let's highlight everything starting from the top all the way to the bottom. Now you can right click and copy, or you could say press Control and C on your keyboard. Now let's go to Google Sheets. At the top corner here, you're going to click and you're going to Control V. You could also undo this. If you wanted to, you could right click and paste. Now make sure that it's nice and tidy, nice and neat. There we go. Okay, now we need to save file, or click on File and click Save As, or Share. We go to download it as a CSV file. There we go, it's downloaded there. Now we're going to go back to Canva and we're going to go to Applications or Apps. And at the corner where it says Search Apps, type in BATCH. Batch create.
Make 100 reels with me. Connect data. Social media, Instagram reel, and search designs. Once I selected one, I deleted the font, went to apps and bulk create.
Okay, so we're going to go to, so once you're in Canva, hit the create button and we're gonna look for we're gonna create Instagram video. And we'll type in gym.
Unity, can you get your devices and come upstairs now? You need to get your devices and come up on some teaching now. Get your stuff and come upstairs. Hello? Because mom's going to teach now. Yeah.
Okay, let's click that. And then we go to apps. Scroll down until you find bulk create. Type in bulk create. Now let's upload this manually. Upload from Google Sheets in your designs. Let's download right. So at the bottom it says upload data. There we go, there's my CSV. Now we want to